but there is a possibility if Hermes wins against Michael, Hermes may want to pull against you later. In such case, Lalatin would be your next opponent.
Levan Saginashvili once said, Vitaly Lalatin will get old with the dream of beating him. And guess what? The next opponent for Levan might be Vitaly soon, even before Hermes or Michael Todd. So as we know that the next opponent for Levan is to be decided by the match between Hermes and Michael Todd, where the winner will get a shot at Levan for the super heavyweight title. But it might not be that simple. So during an interview with Levan, Engin Terzi revealed his plans for Levan this year. The first thing he explains is that this year his plan is to let Levan pull twice. His first match will be with the winner of Hermes and Michael Todd. And this is where things get interesting. As per Engin, there is a chance if Hermes wins his match against Michael Todd, Hermes might want to pull Levan later this year. And in this case, Lalatin might become the next opponent for Levan. Now let's talk about the second case, where Michael Todd beats Hermes. So Michael Todd would immediately want to go for Levan. However, Devon did suggest to Michael to take some rest before pulling Levan, but this will be decided only after the results. However, Michael himself does look eager to pull Levan as soon as possible. So there is a great possibility that we might get to see Lalatin versus Levan sooner than expected. Personally, I don't think Lalatin still has a chance against Levan, and he needs more time and an additional 10 to 15 kg of body weight to stand a chance against him. And talking about Levan, he is very confident against Lalatin and he thinks Vitaly wouldn't be much of a problem for him, as Levan knows how to pull him. So what do you guys think about this? Who is the better opponent for Levan for his next match? Hermes, Michael Todd or Vitaly Lalatin? Do share your thoughts in comments below, and do not forget to subscribe for more such interesting arm wrestling updates.